So I bought the cheapest S80 V8 on Marketplace. It was 500 bucks. I haven't made any videos on it yet because I honestly didn't know if I was even going to keep it, but I still have it, so might as well start. Done a little work to it so far, but today what I want to do is try to clean up this headlight. And I'm embarrassed to say, in over 15 years of working on cars and becoming a professional mechanic, I've never really restored my own headlights. So I'm going to do my best to bring this headlight back to as new as possible condition, because replacing these lenses is really a pain. It's possible, and I'm going to try that on my XC90. But for this car, I want to experiment with sanding it, refinishing it, finally spraying it with clear coat. So let's see what we can get done. All right, so we got it removed because I don't have masking tape. If I had masking tape, I honestly would have left it in. I actually find it, I think it would be easier if it's installed because it can't move around, but oh well. So I'm going to start with 800, 1,000, 1,500, 2,000. We're going to assess as we go, and if that works, then I'm going to maybe compound it if I can find my random orbital sander. But if not, we'll probably leave it as it is so that I can install it into the car, and then when I get to work on Monday after work, or maybe tomorrow if I want to go pick it up, I'll get my orbital sander, do the compound, so I can spray that clear coat over it. So let's get started. The first step was just to wash it. So I just washed it with soapy water, dried it off. So there we go, that's the first step. Okay, that's 800 grit done and wiped off. I think this is one of those trust the process moments. At least I hope so. All right, that's 1,000 grit done, and I'm alternating the direction. I started the 800 on the x-axis. I did 1,000 on the y-axis, or vertically and horizontally. And the purpose of that is so that I can see when I've gotten rid of the scratches. I can tell I don't have any scratches going horizontally. And on the next step, I don't want to see any scratches going vertically. And if I do, I know I need to keep sanding. And I mean, I can actually see a couple horizontal scratches here now that it's totally dry. So I'll probably hit it with the 1,000 again. Okay, and that's actually looking pretty good. No more horizontal scratches. There are some areas where I see like lighter spots, but it's not really a scratch. It's almost like wire wiped off with the rag. So I think we're kind of just gonna choose to be happy with this. Not perfect, but this is in a way practice for the next one, so it's all right. So that's the 1,000 done. Let's move on to the 1,500. All right, that's 1,500 done. And I'm curious if you guys are noticing a difference, because I'm not. This still looks so cloudy to me. I'm not seeing any horizontal scratches, and I only did one pass with the 1,500, meaning one piece of sandpaper instead of two like the 1,000. I think the reason is I'm able to get much better pressure pushing across. When I'm pushing up and down, it's harder to just harder to get pressure because there's not much room. And this way I can really get a nice good push. So let's move on to the 2,000. I think it's the compound that's going to make this thing actually get clear, and I don't have that with me today, so we might sort of have a disappointing outcome for today. Okay, that's it for the 2,000. So I'm not seeing any more horizontal scratches, at least not any major ones. Obviously it's still pretty cloudy, so I have a feeling that that random orbital with the compound is going to be the key point. What I'm going to need to make sure is that my compound doesn't have any wax in it, because if I'm going to spray this thing with clear coat, I'm pretty sure it needs to be obviously completely clean with no oils on it. So I'm not exactly sure how that's going to work. But that's it. I was really hoping we would see some really clean and clear lens today, but it looks like that's not going to happen until I get the random orbital. So in the next part of the video, you'll see that. You won't have to wait. I will. And I'm definitely going to want to repeat this process on my XC70 because these headlights look even worse. Well, also really bad. Maybe not worse. So those will probably be up next depending on how this goes. So in the next part of the video, you'll see me continue. So it's obviously not clear, but if we compare it to how it looked before, these headlights were so yellow. They actually are clearer here, but very, very yellow. So already we can see we got rid of that yellowness. I think that's the UV oxidation. So I'm pretty excited for the final outcome. Okay, we're back. I did 2 passes with the random orbital with some compound, and obviously a lot of clarity is returned. But we still have some of these small marks from 2000 grit, and it's still a little bit hazy. So I'm thinking maybe one more pass, 3000 grit or 2500, whatever I have, and then try compounding again. On the other hand, it's a pretty warm day here in San Jose, and this compound, I think it's drying out really fast. So I'm gonna try one more pass, keeping it moist, keeping it damp, and see if we get a better result. Okay, here's the final result. And I stopped filming because I got so frustrated. On this driver's side, no matter what I did, I ended up with this haze, which you can actually, maybe you can tell, the passenger side is a little bit clearer than the driver's side. So based on my experience with the driver's side, what I did was, instead of starting at 800, I started at 1200. 800 was just too aggressive for the level of oxidation for this headlight. Starting at 1200 on the passenger side was a much better decision. So I ended up doing this headlight twice. The first time 800, 1000, 1500, 2000, and then when I compounded it, I could still see all these scratches, which may not show up in the video, but they're there. So I did the whole thing over again, and the scratches got smaller, but they were still there. That's when I really started to get frustrated. So I gave up and thought I'll just buy the kit on Amazon, but I still had some daylight and I really wanted to try again. So on this one, I started at 1200, 1500, 2000, 2500, 3000, and then compound, and then polish, and then wax. And it looks really good. Other than this area, which is on the inside, I still can see some scratches, but they're very small. It's not perfect, but maybe you can tell it's clearer than the driver's side. And when the headlights are on, you can tell, but still, that is a huge improvement. So next I need to do these fog lights and find that chrome trim there that's missing. And then my front end refresh will be pretty much completed.